Here we go, HobbyBox604 back with another Toonie Wednesday group break. This is group break number 169. Box off 1314, Panini Titanium. Box number is 646. 646. Good luck. Our 1112 Titanium was nice. Let's see if our 1314 is as nice. There you go. One thick pack there. Okay, let's go like that. Pack one. We start. Oh, nice. For the San Jose Sharks. I forgot what these ones were. But jersey autograph number 23 of 50. Joe Pavelski. Joe Pavelski. 23 of 50. Jersey auto for the Sharks. Oh, nice. Nice hit for the Colorado Avalanche. A team building. Paul Stastny, Matt Duchene, Gabriel Landeskog, and Calvin Pickard. Number 9 of 100. For the Colorado Avalanche. Pack 3. For the Buffalo Sabres, Titanium Reserve, Mark Pysyk. Mark Pysyk for the Sabres. Pack 4. For the Dallas Stars, Game 1 gear of Kari Lettinen. And our last pack, hopefully we have a patch. Looks thicker than the other ones. Let's see what it is. It is nice. Number 17 of 50, Game 1 gear, Torrey Mitchell for the Minnesota Wild. Oh wow, that's jersey number, guys. 17 of 50. That's obviously a bonus. As you see, his jersey number is 17. 3-color prime, Minnesota Wild. Nice, not a bad box. We had not one of those boxes that did not have Game 1 gear every pack. So there it is, boys and girls. Congrats on the hits. More box breaks coming right after.